superior is superior than the physical capital. Now, children, here on your screens you can see a picture of a village. In this village, the two different families are living. There is the story given in your textbook, that is the story of Sakal. These are the two different boys of the same village, and one boy, Sakal, who becomes as a human capital for his family and the society. On the other hand, this is the another boy, that is Villa. Villa again become a liability for the family as well as for the society. So how? Let's see. Beta, this story you will read by your own from your textbook. Here just I am going to give a brief about the story. How Sakal became a productive power, and why Villa was unable to earn enough. Sakal actually was a boy living in the same village, but his parents were aware about the importance of education, and they sent Sakal to the school. Sakal got education, and after completing his matriculation, he went for the computer training, and studied a vocational course in computers, and then after easily he was able to get a job in a company, and due to his hard work he got promotion in a very short period of time. So in this way he was able to support his family after completing his education. He became a productive power, and directly he was supporting to his family, and indirectly he was contributing for the development of the country. On the other hand, Villa actually, he was also the same age group boy residing in the same village, but he did not have his father. His mother was selling fish, and his mother herself was uneducated. She was unhealthy, okay, and hardly she was able to earn enough. So that is why she was not able to send Villa to the school, and Villa himself physically was not fit. So that is why neither he got education, nor he was healthy, physically strong, nor he got any skill. So when his mother died, so he did not have any option or choice except to sell fish like his mother. And by selling fish in the market, he was unable to earn enough, and was hardly he was able to fulfill his basic needs. So this was a meager earning or meager income, and he could not support his family, and could not contribute for the national income or for the society. So in this way, the two boys, one became a productive power, another was unable to fulfill his basic needs. So here you have the two boys of the same village. Just what is the difference? One got education, one was trained in computer and was healthy also. So that is why he became the human capital. On the other hand, Villa was unable to get education. He himself was not healthy and did not get any skill also. So that is why his income was limited. So he could not become a productive power and could not support neither his family nor to the society. So this proves that how the human being become a resource. Now here you can see the two charts on your screens, means the two cycles on your screens. One is virtuous cycle and another is vicious cycle. So here beta virtuous cycle. Virtuous cycle is created when parents, educated parents, the parents, those who are educated or aware, okay, they invest in education of their children, and they focus on the proper nutrition and hygiene of their children, and also emphasis on co-curricular activities or other skill formation. So in this way they form the virtual cycle. Virtual cycle actually it is the advantageous condition when the educated parents, they themselves understand the importance of education, they themselves are educated, and that is why they heavily invest on the education of their children. They focus, they give proper health care to their children, and they also motivate their children for participation in different kinds of co-curricular activities for the skill formation. So further, when the child is gaining all three things, so he become an advantageous people, or productive power for the country, and in this way there is the formation of virtuous cycle. On the other hand, vicious cycle is created